Hey everyone, they say that change is the only constant. I see this in my own life. After working for 10 years, I had to leave my job and I'm moving to a new city. Life shifts just like the seasons. This money plant shows this perfectly. I found a tiny fallen stem on the ground sometime around last year. I planted it, and today you see that it has grown into a beautiful plant. But it also went through a harsh summer. The hot sun left sunburns on some leaves. These scars are part of its journey. I will now gently prune the burned leaves away. Letting go of old growth makes room for fresh start. I'm trying to add new stems to the pot, this bringing back to the point that I am moving cities, and these tiny cuttings that I've been growing for months, some of them for years. One of the cutting is actually from the same mother plant from where I found this branch. I'm planting them all back together so that the older plant gets a fresh look, a new beginning. It ends up looking fuller, and these tiny plants, they find a new home, they have a new beginning, and they all can grow and be stronger than ever. I am trying to gently push the aerial nodes very close to the moss stick so that they develop some roots and they are able to hold the base. I'm left with the dilemma that all these plants, they will be traveling with me. How am I going to do this Herculean task of moving so many plants? I'm nervous, but I'm also kind of excited. I don't know what I'm gonna be doing with all this time that I'm gonna be having. So please share your ideas if you want to see something. I also noticed these tiny, I can call them snails. I've not seen them in the garden before, but please tell me if they are garden friendly or we call them a pest. I don't know. Please help me out here. And so, yeah, that's about it. I just wanted to share this with you, and I'm hoping that now that I'll have more time, I'll be able to I'll be able to shoot more content and share with all of y'all. I hope everybody is doing very well. And until next time, bye.